Yeah, it was wonderful. I think 2 days, although it's very long, workshop from 9 to 6, right? But it's still the way, speakers presenting and they are just engaging everyone in the different activities. So it was very fruitful, and at not even a single time or at any stage of this whole workshop, I felt like I'm getting bored or something. I'm not getting out of it. Okay, so it was very helpful in terms of, because I'm working as a project manager in UST. So definitely this workshop is very helpful for me for day-to-day work, because I'm managing some team. So whatever takeaways are, as a servant leader, definitely, although leader and servant in this workshop both goes together. So that's a very people usually say it's an oxymoron, but it is not. That is something I just came to know in
Two
this,
roles we
in
play.
this workshop. So lot many takeaways. I think I can list few of them. Definitely I will work more on relationship building, relationship within my team, so that team members can come and they can talk about anything. Okay, so I will fill that gap. And apart from that, I think it is always good, in building the relationship, to do some CSR activities to give the community back. So that is also, I got very much convinced, because previously I was not very much into it. But because of this workshop, I just, convinced that this is also a very important part of, our life. Although we are working in a corporate world, but this is something will add value to our life. Okay, so yeah, these things are very insightful, and speakers, especially Madna and Mary. So got to learn lot of things from them, through their experiences, a kind of design they did the whole workshop. It was very helpful, I would say. Yeah, definitely, for sure. Even I will encourage my team members, the leads I have in team, or maybe senior QA team members are there, or maybe other seniors team members also. I will definitely encourage them to attend this workshop, and it will really help as an individual to grow. And apart from that, as a leader, okay, if you want to become a good leader, so boss anyone can become, but if you want to become a good leader, definitely this workshop is really helpful for them.
Hi, this is Madana Kumar, and I'm glad that you chose to view this video. If you would like to be part of this journey, which is transformative both at a personal level and at a professional level, do get in touch with us at Leadyne. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.